Roof windows create a comfortable living space within the attic. They make it abundant in natural light, with access to fresh air and extraordinary views. An important date in the history of roof windows is 1991, when Richard Florek founded FAKRO, with its head office located in Novi Sad. A bold vision and hard work brought quick results. It took FAKRO only 3 years to start exporting its products, which contributed to the rapid increase in production. Over the course of just a few years, FAKRO roof windows have reached more than 50 countries around the world, and the dynamic development of the company resulted in the construction of new production halls and significant employment growth. Today, FAKRO consists of 12 production companies and 16 distribution companies, situated not only in Poland, but throughout Europe, Asia, and North America. The FAKRO Group is an international corporation and a leader on the Polish market. 70% of production is exported to foreign markets. 15% global market share makes FAKRO the second largest manufacturer of roof windows in the world. We know that quality and innovation are the key to success. Therefore, over 100 engineers working in our research and development department convert ideas into innovative solutions and new products. Automation of selected production processes means increasing capacity and maintaining high quality of production. FAKRO offers over 1,000 products, with more than 7.5 million roof windows sold all over the world. A wide and unique range of roof windows makes them suitable for installation in any space within the attic. Durable, energy efficient, and refined in every detail to perform their functions perfectly. The space under the flat roof is illuminated by innovative and insulated products. A variety of decorative accessories and external accessories ensure protection against excessive heat to enhance and improve the quality of living in any space. And what about loft ladders? After all, they're a must in the attic space. FAKRO has them in the product range. They're durable, functional, and can easily be concealed in the ceiling. Another important step in the development of FAKRO is the offer of vertical joinery products under the InnoView brand, where vertical windows, entrance and garage doors create a complete range of joinery made in a uniform style and colours. FAKRO products equipped with a Z-Wave module can be controlled via a smartphone in the smart home system, improving its functionality and safety. The use of FAKRO products gives high quality and incredible visual effects, while their integration into the smart home system makes your dream home come true.